Have you ever caught her looking at you with desire, but then wondered, what can I do to completely satisfy her, not just physically, but emotionally too? If you've ever felt unsure about how to truly leave her breathless, craving more, and falling deeper into your touch, you're not alone, and you're in exactly the right place. In this video, I'm revealing 5 deeply intimate bedroom secrets that most men overlook, but women silently hope you understand. These aren't just tips for better sex. These are insights into what makes her feel safe, desired, empowered, and fully connected to you. From mastering anticipation to understanding what touches her soul, we're diving into real, game-changing strategies that will not only boost your bedroom confidence, but also transform your bond as a couple. So grab a seat, open your mind, and stay with me, because things are about to get hot in the best way possible. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, the cowgirl: empowerment, rhythm, and deeper connection. Now let's begin with a classic that's often underestimated, the cowgirl position. At first glance, it might seem straightforward. She's on top, in control of the rhythm and depth. But what makes this position truly powerful is what it symbolizes, and how it empowers both of you. When a woman is in the cowgirl position, she's not just controlling the pace. She's stepping into her confidence. She's expressing her desires. She's letting herself be fully seen and felt, on her terms. This alone creates an emotional high that goes beyond physical pleasure. She gets to find her own rhythm, the one that feels best for her body. And when she's in tune with herself, the chances of her reaching a powerful, fulfilling climax rise significantly for you. This is an opportunity to truly enjoy the moment without rushing. Since the stimulation is less intense on your end, you're more likely to last longer and stay connected, physically and emotionally. But here's the key: your role isn't passive. While she's leading the dance, you're fully present. Look into her eyes. Run your hands across her waist, her thighs. Whisper how beautiful she is, how much you love the way she moves. Let her feel your admiration, not just your arousal. When she knows she has your attention, your presence, and your respect, that's when the experience becomes unforgettable. This position also opens the door to deeper emotional intimacy. It says, I trust you. I see you. I want you to enjoy this as much as I do. That kind of emotional safety is a huge turn-on for many women, and it makes the physical pleasure even more intense. So don't rush this. Let her explore. Let her lead. Support her with your hands, your voice, your gaze. And in doing so, you give her the space to feel free, confident, and deeply desired. Because the cowgirl isn't just about switching positions. It's about switching perspective, giving her the freedom to take control while you offer unwavering presence and connection. Secret number 2, spooning, where tenderness meets true intimacy. Sometimes, the most powerful moments in the bedroom aren't the loudest or the wildest. They're the quiet ones, the ones where you simply hold each other close and breathe in unison. That's exactly what spooning brings to the table. It's soft, slow, and beautifully intimate. In this position, both of you lie on your sides, your body wrapped around hers from behind. Your chest gently rests against her back. Your arms hold her close, and your warmth surrounds her like a protective shield. To many women, this isn't just a position. It's a feeling of safety, of being held, of knowing she can let go completely. The beauty of spooning lies in its unspoken tenderness. The pace is naturally slower, the movements more deliberate. There's no rush, no pressure. Just the two of you, completely present in the moment. Take this time to kiss the back of her neck. Whisper something soft and meaningful. Let your hands gently explore her body, not with urgency, but with care. Caress her arms. Trace slow circles along her hips or her waist. Hold her hand. Let your touch say what words can't. And here's the secret: when she feels emotionally safe, her body relaxes. Her mind stops racing. Her heart opens. That's when true pleasure begins, not just physical pleasure, but emotional release for you. Spooning is a chance to show your softer side, to be her protector, her lover, her calm in the storm. It's in these slow, deliberate moments that emotional intimacy blossoms. And don't underestimate how powerful that can be, because for many women, arousal starts in the heart and mind. When she feels seen, cared for, and understood, her body follows naturally. Spooning lets you communicate without words, through the rhythm of your breath, through the warmth of your embrace, through the silence that says, "I'm here. I've got you." This position is perfect for those late-night moments when all she needs is to feel close, to feel loved, to feel like you're fully there with her, not trying to perform, but simply connect. So next time you're together, don't skip the spoon. Lean into it. Let it slow you down. Let it draw you closer. And let it remind you both that real intimacy isn't just about what you do, it's about how you make each other feel. Secret number 3, face to face, when eyes lock, hearts speak. There's something undeniably powerful about looking into someone's eyes, especially when you're lying skin to skin, heartbeat to heartbeat. That's the magic of the face-to-face position. In this intimate setup, both of you lie on your sides, facing each other. No distractions, no barriers, just the closeness of your bodies and the raw honesty of eye contact. Every glance becomes a message, every micro-expression, a silent confession. This position creates a space where emotional connection takes center stage. It's not just about feeling her body, it's about witnessing her reactions, reading the subtle shifts in her breath, her gaze, her energy. You're no longer just physically close, you're emotionally aligned. Place one leg over hers, letting your hand gently rest on her back or waist. Explore slowly, no rush. Let each touch be intentional, soft, and full of presence. This is your chance to caress her cheek while watching her smile, to kiss her lips slowly, savoring every second, to whisper things that remind her, "You're the only one here with me, right now." The beauty of this position isn't in how hot it looks from the outside, it's in how connected it feels from the inside. You can hold each other's gaze for longer. You can share words that would feel too vulnerable in any other moment. Even your silence speaks volumes when your bodies and hearts are this close. And here's something most men overlook: in this position, your emotional presence is amplified. She'll notice if you're truly there, and she'll also notice if your mind drifts away. So be there, fully. Let every look, every breath, every gentle movement tell her, "You matter. I see you. I choose you." If you're still watching this video, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know you're with me on this journey. Because what we're building here goes beyond the surface. We're diving into real intimacy, the kind that lasts long after the moment ends. Face to face is a reminder that true connection doesn't happen when you're moving fast. It happens when you pause, when you breathe together, when you look at her not as a body, but as a woman you care for deeply. So next time you want to take things to a more meaningful level, don't just touch her, see her, and let her see you, too. Secret number 4, doggy style, raw passion, guided by emotion. Let's be honest, doggy style is one of the most intense and passionate positions out there. It taps into something primal, something raw, something powerful. But here's what most people get wrong: they think it's all about dominance and physical control. The truth? When done right, doggy style can be just as emotional as it is physical, and that's what makes it unforgettable. In this position, you're behind her, hands on her hips, with a full view of her back, curves, and movement. It's powerful. Yes. Visually stunning. Yes. But more than that, it's an opportunity to create a deeply charged connection. If you bring intention into it, start slow. Let the anticipation build. Before you even move, let your hands gently explore her back, her waist, her thighs. Lean in to kiss her shoulders. Whisper something only she can hear. Show her that you're not here to conquer, you're here to connect. And when you begin to move, read her energy, listen to her breath, feel her rhythm. Doggy style gives you control of the tempo, but control is a responsibility. Use it to create a dance, not a race. Vary your pace. Tune in. Respond to her body. That's where the magic happens. Too many people rush this position, using it as a finish line. Don't make that mistake. Instead, treat it as the climax of connection, the grand crescendo that comes after you've already built intimacy in gentler positions. Because when you've laid the emotional groundwork first, doggy style transforms from raw instinct into a wild, sacred fire that pulls you both in deeper. She's exposed, vulnerable, and yet, when done with care, this becomes a moment of trust. Not just pleasure. Your touch, your voice, your presence, all reassure her that she is safe. Even when things get intense, say her name. Hold her hand. Place your palm on the small of her back in a way that grounds her, not dominates her. Let her know, even in your wildest moments, I've got you. And always, check in. A whispered "Are you okay?" can be more arousing than any move. Because it shows you care. It shows that no matter how passionate things get, you're still in tune with her heart. Doggy style isn't just a position. It's a powerful combination of primal energy and emotional presence. When those two collide, that's when intimacy explodes in the most unforgettable way. Secret number 5, the chair, intimacy face to face. Heart to heart. Sometimes, the most passionate moments happen not on a bed, but in a chair. Yes, you heard that right. The chair position may not be the most talked about, but it offers something incredibly rare, full body closeness while looking directly into each other's eyes. It's intimate, it's grounding, and it's emotionally magnetic. In this position, you sit on a sturdy chair while she gently lowers herself onto your lap, facing you. Immediately, the vibe shifts. You're not just lovers, you're eye-level soulmates, sharing the same breath, same heartbeat, same space. She's in control of the rhythm, of how close, how deep, how slow. And you're right there with her, supporting her with your hands, your gaze, your presence. This posture fosters a rare kind of connection, mutual vulnerability. You see each other, really see. You notice the flicker of her smile, the blush in her cheeks, the sparkle in her eyes. It's a moment of beautiful exposure, where love becomes visible. Use this opportunity to slow things down. Wrap your arms around her back. Let your hands roam gently. Kiss her shoulder. Whisper how good it feels to be this close. You can even rest your forehead against hers, just breathing, just feeling. Because sometimes, the most erotic thing isn't the movement. It's the stillness. That sacred space where two people sit wrapped in nothing but warmth, skin, and emotion. The chair position turns lovemaking into something more than physical. It becomes a conversation without words, a quiet exchange of affection, trust, and emotional surrender. Every soft kiss, every hand that lingers a little longer, every breath you take together, it all deepens the bond between you. This isn't about acrobatics. It's about alignment. So if you're ever longing for something more romantic, more heartfelt, something that says I'm with you, completely, this is your go-to. It's not just about pleasure, it's about presence. Final thoughts, let's recap. So what have we uncovered today? From the empowerment of the cowgirl, the tenderness of spooning, the soulful eye contact in face-to-face, the wild yet mindful intensity of doggy style, to the deep connection in the chair, these 5 bedroom secrets aren't just about physical positions. They're about emotional intention. Each one offers a different path to closeness. A new way to say, I see you. I want you. I care for you. If you truly want to drive her wild, remember, it's not about lasting longer or trying harder. It's about being present, listening, feeling, and leading with love, not ego. So now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create even better content for you. If this video sparked something in you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, be gentle, be bold, and above all, be real.